Hey guys, I'm back again with a breakup song and I'm sure you must have seen my dance performance on that. So let's start with tutorial. So guys, song start with very slow music, ta 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 ta, a breakup song, ta 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 ta, a breakup song. So here I'm not teaching you any step, you just need to groove with it, you just need to feel the music and just dance, just move like this, okay? After that, when music picks up, then you have to actually dance, and I have divided all those beats into 4/4 and 8/8 counts. So here you go, and let me first show you the steps. So it goes like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, and on 4 you have to take turn. So I taught you pelvis thrust before, so if in case you missed it, let me teach you once again. So bend your knees and hit through your stomach like this, okay? So left and right, or you can do in front also like this. So here you just need to wave it, or you just need to push from your stomach and your knees are bent. So here the steps are, you need to hit, so pelvis thrust and hit through your hand, so both are at same time, okay? So hit, so first your right hitting to left and then right hitting to right, and here pelvis thrust goes along with this hit. So left is here, right is here, so 1 2, on 3 both the hands up, and on 3 your left comes to your right, okay? So 1 2, on 3 here up, and on 4 your right comes here. So it's just one step towards the right. So it goes like 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2, and then 3 4 you have to take turn, cross your leg, cross your hands and take turn on 4th. So after taking turn, music picks up little more. Now here I've divided all the beats as I told you into 8/8 counts. So again some more counts come. So let me first show you the step. Steps are 1 2 3 4, 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So how we're going to do is, we crushing something through our feet, moving our waist. You must have done this probably before. So it's just simple exercise that you also can do at your home. So it's crushing something through your feet and moving your waist. Along with that, your hands are like shivering, okay? Your fingers, open your fingers, okay? And you need to do your neck exercise also with this. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So right, first you have to move your hands towards right to left and left to right, and this exercise, it's continuing. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2. Now here just little bend towards right, left knee is bent, or just putting your weight little more to your right. So it's this and this. So you're just shifting your weight from your right to left and left to right, and you both the hands down. You can click, or you can simply you just hang them down. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So when we merge all those steps, it comes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This particular step we have to repeat twice. After that, once we done with this, now your both the hands right to your right, left to the left, you need to move. Now first I'll show you the step while standing one place, then after I'll show you how you can go. So first you need to learn wave it, okay? So left is here, little forward, you need to move your waist and little wave. How would you wave? You just need to bend your knees, move your waist at same time, okay? Now right hand is here, left hand is here, and move. Now you need to repeat this while you need to go towards your left. So 1 2, how would you move? How would you go? Left right, along with your waist is moving, okay? Let me show you once again. So once you done here, hand comes here, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's you must have seen dipping also. You can use that technique also. So dipping, and moving your waist, okay? So in 8 counts you are here, Now one more, 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here fist watching towards your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as if that you're watching something through your window. You watch and you came out, and again, so you need to bend. Keep your right hand to your right knee, and then move, come out, move, come out. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you finish body wave twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, just bend a little more and come out. After that, towards your left. Now your left is forward. You need to again wave. So bend your knees, stomach and chest. So bend your knees, stomach and chest, and pushing something down. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Click. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So stomach, chest and come back. Stomach, chest. When you do your chest out, your hips are also out. So 1, 2, bend your knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then again 4 beats left. Here you need to move. Okay, towards your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very simple. It's just step, 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 step. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure your left foot is stick to the floor. Okay. So hands, show your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me show you all the steps when we merge, how it looks. So our steps were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you saw how fast it was? Yes, it was very fast, and you have to go with the music and beats. Okay, so after that girl tells her story that how did she got breakup. So here she says something, अंग्रेजी चिड़िया के खातिर देसी दिल मेरा तोड़ दिया, मैंने छोड़ दिया. Here I want you to be really, give your expressions. Don't dance. I'm not going to teach you any specific steps in that because she's just talking. Okay, so I did something like अंग्रेजी चिड़िया के खातिर देसी दिल मेरा तोड़ दिया, मैंने छोड़ दिया, उसे छोड़ दिया. So something like very natural. Put your own expressions, whatever you are in real life. Have some attitude in that. So after that, the main lyrics and dance comes. So now let me teach you that. So now she sings, दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया. So as my style has always been teaching on lyrics rather than on beats and music. So here, as it is Bollywood, let me teach you on lyrics now. So it's very, real, like dil pe patthar. So you don't have to think about it. So now let me show you what are these steps. So I do like dil pe patthar. Okay, so here dil, your heart, you have to touch here. Dil, when she says dil pe, so you have to go a little bend. Now how would you bend? You have to make your right forward. Okay. And you need to go little bend. So dil, okay, dil pe patthar. On patthar, both the legs parallel. Okay, patthar is this. Rakh ke. Now here you need to open your legs and bend your knees like this. Okay, so dil pe patthar rakh ke. Rakh, you have to show your elbows in front. So whatever we're doing with the feet, you same have to follow with your hands. Rakhe muh pe. On muh pe you need to go to your side or to your right or left. It's all up to you. Here, so muh pe, it's mirror, and you touching your cheek through your left. Muh pe makeup kar liya. Now you need to walk makeup kar liya. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have done twist ever or must have seen. Same we need to follow here. Okay, muh pe makeup कर लिया. So you need, let me show you in front. It's this. Okay. So here makeup कर ली on ya. So hips are out and as if that you wonder, कर लिया. Okay. She repeats the same. Now your right comes here on your heart. दिल पे. So half circle. Show your palm. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे. Okay. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुंह पे मेकअप. So cross your leg and turn to your front. Cross your leg through your right. मुंह पे मेकअप कर लिया. You need to take turn. So after you took turn, मेकअप कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So here you need to again turn to your left, right, and मेरे सैया जी से. So what you need to go a little back and like this. Okay. So you need to do shimmy through your hips. Tak 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 tak. Okay. And here you need to show सैया जी. You can do this whole step in front also. It's all up to you. It's just to put variety on your own dance that you can do yourself. So मेरे सैया जी से आज. So it's mustache. So सैया जी से आज मैंने, on मैंने you need to turn front. Breakup कर लिया. Now breakup, you need to remove your ring through your, this is ring finger. Okay. So don't get confused. It's breakup कर लिया. So 3 hits. 1, 2, 3. On 3 hit, your neck goes right and just little tilt and your left is up. Breakup कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से. So here you going to your right and this step comes. Okay. So कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से. So take पल्ला, 2 fingers and पल्ला और घूंघट. So मेरे सैया जी से here, मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने. Once again, मेरे सैया जी से, right is up, आज मैंने breakup कर लिया. Now you need to go little front. Okay, मैंने breakup, cross your leg. कर, so you're removing your rings. So breakup कर ली, throw it, कर ली, yeah. So it's 1, 2, 3 and hand goes like this. Just do this. Okay. So कर लिया 3 times. 1, 2, 3. सुबह सवेरे. So you just stretch in the morning. It's as similar as this. Goes left and right. सुबह सवेरे. सुबह सवेरे. यौन. उठकर मैंने ये सब कर लिया. Okay. So सुबह सवेरे उठकर मैंने, point out to front and go from right to back. ये सब कर लिया. Now here in back मेरे सैया. So let me show you how it goes in front. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने. So it's basically you giving jerk to your body and bending your knees and your legs are little up. सैया जी से आज मैंने. Okay, or whatever the lyrics, we'll see. ये सब कर लिया मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने. Here only you need to go diagonal. Breakup कर लिया. So it's you going diagonal and cross. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So as we're not dancing on music and not showing you dance on music right now, let me just quickly recap for you so that it will be easier for you. So from the beginning, दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया. दिल पे पत्थर रख के मुँह पे मेकअप कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. मेरे सैया जी से आज मैंने ब्रेकअप कर लिया. So last position was this, breakup कर लिया. Now guy sings for her. So once you done here, हमको बिन बताए तूने ये कब कर लिया. After this, left hand and left leg both comes here towards left. So हमको बिन बताए तूने. So it goes like हमको बिन बताए तूने. You can do anything here. You can use any hand, right or left, all up to you. It's just that you need to enact. Okay. After this, हमको बिन बताए तूने. You need to hit through your elbow. Okay. So हमको बिन बताए तूने ये क्या कर लिया. तूने ये क्या. Now you need to go a little forward. So it's just shoulder, 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 shoulder. So right, left, right and right. Both the hands here or whatever you want. You can keep your on your waist or on your thighs or just leave them like this. So once again, हमको बिन बताए तूने ये क्या कर लिया. Okay, and then again he repeats. From French you need to do हमको. So it's just wave, okay, towards down, or it's just reverse. Okay, हमको बिन बताए तूने. So first is front, then this side, to your right or left, whatever. Turn back but look in front. हमको बिन बताए तूने ये क्या कर लिया. Once again, 1 2 3 go. हमको बिन बताए तूने ये क्या कर लिया. हमको बिन बताए. On तूने you need to go back, look front. ये क्या कर लिया. On या your right comes from back to front and then side. Make sure that you're doing it right. Let me show you once again. You are here. ये क्या कर ली या. Complete turn from back. Complete turn. And you again come to your left. Here, तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. Now, as if that we do some mistake and you need to run. So, you need to keep your finger here and you need to do as if that you've done something wrong. So this is an Indian gesture that you do, oh my god types. So तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. तूने, you're here, breakup कर लिया. You need to go 3 steps back. So breakup कर लिया, chest out, breakup कर लिया, and you need to do shimmy. So सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. Okay, so this is only twice. Breakup कर लिया. On ya you need to do shimmy in front. So like this, कर लिया. Okay. So once again, let me show you. Let me recap that for you. So here, हमको बिन बताए तूने ये क्या कर लिया. हमको बिन बताए तूने ये क्या कर लिया. सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. Okay, and let me show you other steps now. And after this shimmy, he repeats the same. सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. So after this, you are in front only. Now let me show you the steps. Cross. Okay, only hands. Okay, cross hands. Right hand comes here, left at back of your head. Okay, सैया जी से काहे तूने. Now let me show you feet. सैया जी से काहे तूने. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 right goes to right. 3 1 2 3 4 left goes to left. When we merge hands, moves and feet, it comes out like cross your hand, open your leg, bend your knees and up, right and straight. I don't want to see this and this. It comes straight. So सैया जी से. So सैया, you need to move your body or you just need to shrink. Okay, close it and open, close it and open. So सैया जी से hit. Okay, while you closing you hit inside, while you opening your body you hit outside. सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. Now cross your hand. You need to go back while dipping. breakup kar liya. Okay, only 3 steps. You can put variety into it. You can do this. Okay, so you're just going like snake, or you can go straight to your back. So breakup kar liya. Now you're already at back. You need to come in front. Oh my God. After this, breakup kar liya. You need to come forward. Subah savere उठ के मैंने. So you need to ऐसे ही मुड़ते हैं सुबह सुबह. So we need to do the same. Okay, while coming forward. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. So dipping, dipping, dipping. सुबह सवेरे उठ के मैंने ये सब कर लिया. Drop your chest and dip and dip. ये सब कर लिया. He sings again. तेरे सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. So here we can do this. It's just again palla, and you can just go random because it's the end of that particular part. सैया जी से काहे तूने breakup कर लिया. So again same steps. Break up, cross your hands, go either like a snake or go just can go straight to your back. Break up kar liya. So guys, that was the dance tutorial of Breakup Song. I hope you liked it, and please do watch my dance performance so that you can relate all those steps to my dance or to the song. And we also make custom videos, so if you have any song in your mind and if you want to dance on that, please do let us know. We'll happy to make it for you. And please do like us, share and subscribe to our channel, that is Dancercise. And with love from Aditi.